Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create isolated hearts, a versatile look this Valentine's Day or for another occasion. Let's get into it. Using the curved side of the Gelous nail file, gently push back your cuticles. Using the fine side of the nail file your nails to the desired shape. Using the fine side of the nail file, gently buff the entire surface of each nail. Pay attention to the sides of the nail and make sure the whole nail appears dull from the buffing. Brush away the buffing dust with the Gelous dust brush. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of nail primer and leave to air dry. Apply a thin coat of base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Using Skipper Beet and your thin nail art brush, paint an outline of a heart onto your nail. Cure for 10 seconds. Using Skipper Beet and your gel polish brush, paint around the heart to fill in your nail and cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, paint around your heart where your gel polish brush can't reach, making sure to isolate it. Apply a second coat after curing if needed. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Dance the Night Away and your thin nail art brush, paint a thin outline around your heart. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. You can use other gel nail polish colors of your choice to create the same look. Thanks for watching!